How to log in to Vodafone account online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Vodafone account online. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.vodafone.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Vodafone. Now, tap on the globe icon on the top right of your screen and further select your country. You will then be redirected to the official webpage of Vodafone for that particular country. Now, tap on the sign in option you see there on the top right and further enter your mobile number in the text box you see there and tap on the send OTP button. Next, go ahead and enter the OTP in the interface that you will be led to, and with this you will be successfully logged in to Vodafone account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.